Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While modeling this machine component, first I will start with the base plate. It has a length of 140 mm and a thickness of 25 mm and extrude up to a length of 80 mm. After creating this feature, I will go for this feature. Here they have given radius and this distance is 10 mm from the right side surface and this thickness is 30 and this total height is 110 mm. After modeling this feature, I will go with the top plate with a length of 80 and 180, length and width of 108 and 80, then with a thickness of 20. After modeling this plate, then I will go with this feature. This circle I will extrude up to the length of 30 and this one I will extrude up to the length of 5 mm from this here. After modeling all the material addition feature, I will go with the material removal feature of this one, this one, this one and this one. After modeling this complete model in Creo Parametric, it will look like this. Now you can see. Now we'll learn how to model this component step by step. Go to File, Close. Go to New, Part, Solid, untick this Use Default Template, provide a name, say OK. Our units are in mm, choose mm part solid absolute, say OK. I'm switching on all the planes. I'm taking F. First go to the model. For easy drawing, I will keep this file at left side and Creo Parametric software in the right side. First I'm taking the right plane, sketch view, take the center line and put one vertical center line, press the roller to confirm. I will start with the base plate, take the corner rectangle, put this rectangle, the length is 140 and height is 25. Fit screen, just say OK, extrude, rotate your object, make this into the symmetric and the extrusion length is 80. Just press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this base plate. Now take the mid plane, sketch view. Because I am going to draw with this feature, just take the reference for easy to simplify our sketch. Close. Now take a arc, take a 3-point arc, place it here, first point, place the second point here and provide like this and press the roller to confirm. And make these 2 points as parallel, horizontal. These two are horizontal. Press the roller to confirm. Now we're going to take a line, connect it and close the line. Now here you can see these two distances 10 mm dimension from here to here. It is 10. And here also you just make it as a tangent connection. Tangent. Make this as a tangent. Now here this thickness is 30. The total height is 110. And this radius is 70. That's it. Just say OK, extrude, make it symmetric, material addition and the symmetric length is 60. Just press the roller to confirm. Now I have finished this. Next we'll create this plate. Select this surface, sketch view. No, select this mid plane, sketch and sketch view because we need to make it symmetric. Now take a reference of this edge and this edge, then close it. Take a rectangle, put the rectangle randomly. Now total length is 108 and from here to this edge distance is 8 mm. dimension from here to this point, it has 8 mm, and the width is 20 mm. Now just say OK. Extrude, make it symmetric. The total length extrusion is 80. Just press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this plate also. Now we'll go for this feature. For that, just select the surface, sketch view. Take this midplane as reference and this side edge as reference, then close it. Take a circle. Here you can see the circle center is 25 mm from this left side edge. This one is 25 and the diameter is 30. Only the outside diameter I am trying. Just say OK. Extrude. They extrude up to the length of 30. Save OK. Now we just want to create this feature. For that, select this midplane, sketch view. Take the reference of this one, and this one, and this one. Then close it. Now project. Use the project option, and this one also we can take a reference. Then close it. Select this line. Project it. Project this line. Project this line. Project this line also. Then close it. Take a line. Now remove the unwanted edges. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Now specify the dimension. Go to dimension. From this line to this line, it has 5. Now just say OK. Go for extrude. Make it symmetric. The extrusion diameter is 30. Just say OK. Now we have done all the material addition features. Now we'll go for the material removal features. Start from here. Just select this midplane. Sketch view. Just take a reference. This one and this one. Then close it. Now take a circle. Somewhere you just place it here. And take a line. Just draw the rectangle. Draw the triangle. Now here you can see this width is 18. Go to dimension. From this to this point, it is 35, and this diameter is 20, and this height is 5. Now just say OK. Go to extrude. Make it symmetric options. To next. Here also to next. Material removal. Just say OK. Now we have created the material removal here. Then we'll create a material removal here. Then select the surface. Sketch view. Take the reference of this one. Then close it. Take a rectangle. Don't make it any consent to anything. Then finish it here. Now this edge is 15 mm from the circle diameter. So take the dimension from here to here. This distance is 15, and this height width they are not provided. Just go here. From this distance is 25. Just select the sketch. Go to mirror it here. Just say OK. Go to extrude. Change the direction. Make it to next. Say OK. Then you just go to the round. Select this edge and select this edge also. The radius of this round is 15 mm. Just say OK. Then we just want to make a hole here. Just take the hole, place it in the surface and press the Ctrl and select this axis. Now just the diameter is 20, make it to next. Save OK. Now the complete model is drawn. Now just finish this one. Now full object is done. Now just to change the appearance, just go to the view, appearance, any color you just choose it and apply to the part. Say OK. To change the different colors, just go to the appearance, more appearance. Here just click it here, color wheel, choose any one of the color. Just say OK. Then close it. Just apply to the part. Save OK. Then just go to the appearance, white, apply to here. Press the Ctrl and hold, select the surfaces. Just apply it. Now appearance also we have changed. In this tutorial we have learned this component. I hope this video you will like. If you like this video, please share to your friends. And in next tutorial we will come up with a new model. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.